Sir, a gentle reminder to turn off the annotations.
I have disabled the annotations.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I welcome you all again to this wonderful KYP, which is in English today in the morning, as always. Well, I'll be back with another KYP at 5 p.m. in the evening, which will be in Hindi language as well. So I welcome all the Vivites for this wonderful Know Your Product session again.
Sir,
So
your
very good
voice is
morning.
a bit low. People are saying the yeah.
Is it okay now?
Still low, sir.
One moment.
No idea why this is happening, but then in the comment section, people are complaining.
Is this okay? Audio is clear. So let us start the presentation without much delay. Well, my dear friends, this is the KYP, which is a Know Your Product training session now. Well, going ahead, I hope the screen is visible now. So this is called as the Know Your Product session, where we train you so far as the products are concerned. The products are our wellness products, which are our most important wellness products, the four of them: the iPulse, the iCoffee, the iSlim Bar, and iGlow. These are the four major products that we have with us right now. Well, at the beginning of the program itself, I would like to tell you all that we have now discontinued with the product iCharge as of now until the stocks last, because of the fact that there are a lot of statutory and regulatory issues regarding from the Ayush department as well. Despite why we have planned to discontinue this wonderful product iCharge, my dear friends. So we have four products with us right now, so which I'll be describing it to you. Well, the first and the foremost thing in this slide, when you see, we have a concept of wellness and immunity. Well, these two things go hand in hand always. One thing that everybody needs to know here is whenever you have to, whenever you want that immunity within yourself, you need to feed yourself a lot of antioxidants. When your body is filled with antioxidants, automatically the resistance or the immunity will increase. That is the reason why it is very important for you to have a lot of antioxidants inside. So, and automatically you can get a lot of immunity as well. I hope the voice is audible to everybody.
Yes, sir, the voice is audible. I request every participant to consider using a pair of headphones in case you can't hear the voice, because most of us can hear it clear. And please check your internet connection and consider using a pair of headphones, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Mohit. So, in fact, there is something called as the herd immunity. See, herd immunity. See, herd immunity is something that India is actually about to reach in some point of time from now. Herd immunity, in the sense, always the viruses require human body to survive. Without the presence of human body, the virus will not be able to live and show its activity. So we human beings are its target actually. So remember, viruses need us for their survival. But what do we have to do in return? We have to develop our immunities by the consumption of antioxidant products. Whenever you have a large amount of antioxidants present in your body, automatically the immunity will enhance. Once the immunity enhances, your body can be protected and prevented with any kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. This is what exactly is called as herd immunity. Herd immunity can be brought about by two important things. The first and the foremost thing is, if there is a presence of medicine or vaccine, automatically you can get the herd immunity. Secondly, suppose if you are on immune boosting products, automatically one can have the herd immunity. So going ahead, the next important thing is about herd immunity is also called as community immunity or population immunity or social immunity. See, this is a very important thing. See, a particular segment of population can gain this immunity by the consumption of medicines or vaccine. Similarly, a particular segment of the population can also have immunity by the consumption of immune boosting supplements as well. This is also another way of gaining immunity, because the antioxidants which are present in all our products will help improve the immune boosting capabilities of the human body, because of which the body can be protected and prevented against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So, wellness is your birthright. This is very important. Everyone's birthright is wellness. Everybody has the right to live well. Okay, they have a right to live well. That is what exactly is called as wellness. You are seeing a basket on the screen right now. This basket is nothing but a wellness basket. So this wellness basket has 4 important products which are all immune boosting supplements in nature. We in fact call our products as proprietary Ayurvedic health promoter products. This is for your information. Our products are categorized as proprietary Ayurvedic health promoter products under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act, Government of India, Department of Ayush. This is how the classification has happened, my dear friends. And in fact, these products are actually called as immune boosting products. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, what is the importance of wellness? See, whenever we are trying to promote wellness products across the globe, these points play a very important role. 1 in 5 adults have high blood pressure and are unaware of it. This is very important. 1 in 5 adults definitely have an issue of blood pressure. They are not aware of it. This is a status in India today. Well, this is a major segment where wellness products can play a very important role. Second point, if you see, 60% of people have 1 or more chronic conditions that are mostly preventable. This is also very important. 60% or more have 1 or more chronic infections or conditions which they themselves do not know actually. See, only after a certain period of age or time, they will get to know that they have a chronic ailment within their bodies. That is when the problem starts. So even in such conditions, wellness products play a very important role. The third point, when you see 90% of the people do not know that they are pre-diabetic. This is very important. India is actually in this stage right now. 90% of the people do not know that they are in early stages of diabetes. Once the pre-diabetes is not managed, automatically the person can enter into type 2 diabetes, my dear friends. It is very, very difficult actually. So we can have a very important target of this pre-diabetic population so far as the wellness is concerned. Not only this, likewise, 90% of the people do not know that they are in early stages of kidney disease. So whenever a person is diagnosed with this diabetes, for example, definitely in 5 years to come, both the kidneys will have major problems actually. It might be nephritis, it might be dialysis issues. All these things can happen so far as the diabetes is concerned. So 90% of the people do not know that they are in the early stages of kidney disease. So whatever the thing that you are seeing on the screen right now, these things can be preventable, my dear friends. These are preventable diseases, and these can be definitely prevented, and the human body can be protected by the use of wellness products. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, similarly, from the last slide, I would like to derive these points as scope of wellness. So the scope of wellness, when it is seen, the first and the foremost thing is called as the heart disease. So this is one major point that the world is actually suffering from today. Heart disease is the first and the foremost thing which doesn't have a reason. The heart disease doesn't really have a reason. Anybody can have heart diseases on a daily basis these days. Well, heart disease previously, when it was seen, it was only about 60 years of age that the people were actually complaining about the heart disease. But right now, if you actually see this, any age, right from 20 years or even 15 years of age, people have complaints of heart diseases. And one important thing I want to tell you all, heart disease does not mean it is cardiac arrest or heart attack. No, heart disease encompasses so many things, which I will be telling you in the slides of iPulse. That is one major target. The second thing is cancer. Again, the cancer doesn't have any kind of reasons actually. The third thing is diabetes, a very important pandemic, which I can say actually in the future after this corona is gone, you can definitely have this diabetic pandemic spreading across India actually. Not as a spreading disease, my dear friends, but definitely diabetes is one of the major hurdles that we have to tackle and we have to cross. Paralysis, stroke, the other important thing that anyone can suffer. Again, this is actually a lifestyle issue. Respiratory problems, people are suffering from respiratory problems from quite long, but the relevance of which is actually seen today, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. Well, protection against the pandemics also. This is where the scope of wellness is mainly present so far as the wellness products promotions are concerned. So whenever you want to promote the wonderful wellness products, please concentrate on these things and the other things also, but these things play a major role in a country like India where the wellness products are more useful. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, wellness. As per the World Health Organization, when you see, it is quite important for you to know that health is a state of physical, mental, social, financial, and spiritual well-being. This is very, very important. Health is not only encompassing the physical health, health is also encompassing the mental, social, financial, spiritual, and all together, all these things put together, we actually call this as health. And this is exactly called as wellness also, my dear friends. So this particular statement from the World Health Organization is actually given probably around 80 to 100 years back. And in fact, the olden textbooks of Ayurveda in India have actually proposed this concept of wellness and health quite long back, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. The same thing has been incorporated by the World Health Organization in order to describe and define what exactly you mean by health. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, objective of wellness. So far as the objective of wellness is concerned, let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. This is one important statement what Hippocrates has made so far as the modern medicine is concerned. Well, this is also very important. Our food should be our medicine actually. But are we really taking proper food and diet? That is the most important thing. So we are not using proper food and diet. So when we are not using proper food and diet, automatically the body will get a lot of diseases. That is the reason why once you don't have the nutritious food with you, automatically the body is prone to all kinds of dreadful diseases. I hope the point is clear. So that is a major reason why our food has to be proper. But we don't have that proper food today because the food is always contaminated with all kinds of pesticides, the preservatives, whatnot, contaminants as we call. All these things put together, the food is always, contaminated these days, my dear friends. That is the reason why taking of the wellness products is very important because these wellness products are otherwise called as dietary supplements. That is the reason why we can also call our products as dietary supplements, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, whenever a product is launched into the market, we do a lot of clinical trials. In fact, Indus Viva has already done one set of clinical trials before, of which the papers are already published, and you can find these published papers and the articles on our websites. Whenever you go through our product websites, you will be able to find out the papers or the publications that we have done for all the products already. So one stage of clinical trials is already complete. So clinical trials, the importance of clinical trials when you consider, there are three important uses of the clinical trials. One is to establish the safety of the product. The second is to establish the efficacy of the product. The third is to establish the proof of concept. Safety in the sense, safety is whenever you are consuming eyeballs, the first and the foremost thing is the product has to be safe to the human body. The second thing is the efficacy of the product. Efficacy in the sense, the product has to be beneficial to the human body. Third thing, when we establish the safety and efficacy, the third important thing is how do we show it on a piece of paper? It has to be published on a piece of paper, white paper. That is exactly called as publication. So whenever a company launches a product with safety, efficacy, and publication, this is exactly called as a 5-star company. And that is what we are. We are actually an international company today and not a local company. I hope the point is clear to you. This is what exactly clinical trials are all about. Well, Indus Viva has been doing its clinical trials in major medical centers in the city of Bangalore. So not only in Bangalore, but across the states of India. So the major hospital being Narayana Hrudayalaya, which is known for its cardioprotective benefits. In fact, iPulse is a product which is actually undergoing trial in the Narayana Hrudayalaya for the heart protective benefits. So in fact, not only this, we have a lot of medical centers in India where the product is actually going, the clinical trials are going on right now, as well as before as well. We have done the trials in the Ambedkar Medical College in Bangalore, Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences in Bangalore, Bangalore Medical College, Oxford Medical College. Not only in Bangalore city, we have trials going on in Jipmer in Pondicherry, RIMS in Andhra Pradesh, Sigma Cosmetic Clinic in Bangalore as well. One important thing that the people have to know here is all our products have been registered with the Clinical Trial Registry of India. We call this as CTRI. I hope the point is clear. So all our trials are registered with CTRI, my dear friends. So going ahead, Indus Viva also has a lot of publications and certifications to its name. These are the 4 kinds of certifications that we have with us right now. The first and the foremost thing is we have a certificate called as Halal. See, Halal certificate, most of the people have this question, why the company is having Halal certification. One important thing, as I told you, Indus Viva is no longer a local company. It is called as a global company now. Suppose if the company is actually opening branches in Africa, in the Middle East, we require this Halal certification. So as a prerequisite, we have taken the certification right now. The second thing, we have a certificate called as Kosher. Kosher is a very important certificate for marketing the products in the United States of America. Already, my dear friends, you know that our product Ayurved is already launched in the United States of America, and the company already possesses the Kosher certification as well. We also have the third certificate called as ISO certificate, which is mainly for maintaining the quality of the products as well as quality of the company. We call this as the ISO 9001, 2015 and 18. 2018 is yet to come. Now 2015 is still valid. 2018, by the end of the year 2018, is also going to come to us. The fourth certification that you are seeing on the screen is the GMP certificate. The GMP certificate is otherwise called as Good Manufacturing Practices. We call this as Good Manufacturing Practices when the company has its own manufacturing facility, otherwise called as a factory. So we manufacture our own product, we market our own products. So Indus Viva has its own manufacturing, Indus Viva has its own marketing. That is the reason why the government has given us the Good Manufacturing Practices certification, which is otherwise called as GMP. I hope the point is clear. If someone requires these 4 certifications, please do send us a mail at doctor@indusviva.com. We will be happy to circulate these certifications to you by email. So you can take the printouts of these certificates and then you can use them for your promotional purposes also. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So you can mail us on doctor@indusviva.com. We will be happy to answer it. So going ahead, Indus Viva products. Whenever someone asks you about the Indus Viva products, it is very important. What are the definitions of Indus Viva products? There are 4 important definitions of Indus Viva products, my dear friends. The first important definition is Indus Viva products are considered as preventive products. Prevention is always better than cure. This is very important. As everyone knows, preventing a disease is very, very important than curing the disease. Well, you have to tackle the root cause of the disease rather than curing the disease. What the wellness products do is they in fact tackle the root cause of the disease so that the disease will not be multiplied again and again. This is what is exactly called as prevention. Second important definition of the products is our products are called as holistic products. Holistic products are nothing but they are complete products. Our products are considered as complete products from head till the toe. So which means Indus Viva products are complete products from head till the toe. So just a moment, Mr. Noel.
Yes, sir, tell me.
Just one moment. I'm just blanking my screen. There is a bit of network issue here. Just 2 minutes.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Dear participants, kindly wait as we are resolving some technical issues.
Yeah, I hope my voice is audible right now.
Yes, sir, it is. It is.
Okay, fine then. There was a small network issue here, so it has been resolved. So I was talking about the holistic products. Holistic product in the sense it is called as complete product from head till the toe. See, none of our products, we call them as organ oriented or tissue oriented. Our products are complete human body oriented, my dear friends. So whenever you are consuming iPulse, whenever you are consuming iCoffee for that matter, each and every cell of your body from head till the toe, this is where the product is acting. This is where the product is producing the health benefits. It is not only based on one organ, one cell, or one tissue, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So the third important thing, our products are also called as alternative products. Alternative in the sense, suppose if a person is using the product for some other ailment, along with their medications, let it be the allopathic medicines, let it be the homeopathic medicines, let it be the Siddha medicines or Unani medicines or Ayurvedic medicines for that matter, along with all other products, these products can also be used in a very safe way. I hope the point is clear. The fourth important thing is our products are considered to be complementary products also, which means that our products will have additional benefits. This is very important. So whenever you are trying to take a product for one particular condition, the remaining other conditions will also be benefited inside the body. For example, you are considering iCoffee for managing your sugar levels. Along with managing the sugar levels, iCoffee is also going to manage your blood pressure. This is what is called as complementary product, which means that it has augmented benefits or additional benefits. I hope the points are clear. Suppose if someone asks you what are Indus Viva's products, you don't have to tell that iPulse is a very good cardioprotective product at the first point. You have to tell these four definitions. So Indus Viva products are considered to be preventive, they are holistic, they are alternative, they are complementary. These are the four important definitions which you have to tell when the people ask you about what are Indus Viva products. I hope the points are clear to everybody. So going ahead, my dear friends, let us start with the first important product of Indus Viva, which is iPulse. iPulse, as the tagline indicates, it is acai fruit and berries concentrate. Today, iPulse is considered as a flagship product of Indus Viva. We also consider this as a super brand. It is not simply a brand, my dear friends. It is also called as a super brand. iPulse is the best immune boosting and antioxidant rich multi-fruit blend in juice form. As I told you, there is always a relationship between antioxidants and immune boosters. Whenever you have optimum amounts of antioxidants inside your human body, your immune boosting capabilities will always improve. So I hope this mantra is, probably everybody has to, recite this mantra, stating that the antioxidants, when they are more inside the body, your immune boosting capabilities will improve. That is how both of them are related to each other. That is the reason why iPulse is considered as a very important immune boosting product. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, one important thing that everybody needs to know is we are all talking about the concept of immunity day in and day out today. But the other important point that people should not forget is acai berry in iPulse is considered to be the best heart protective ingredient also. Antioxidants and immunity is one side, antioxidants and heart health is on the other side also. I hope the point is clear. You should always know the importance of antioxidants and their relationship with the heart health also, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, heart disease. I was telling you about the heart disease in the beginning slides. Heart disease does not mean it is cardiac arrest or heart attacks. People should not get confused. Heart attack and cardiac arrest, these are the only two heart problems. No, these are the end stage of heart problems. Whenever a person is dying because of a heart issue, either cardiac arrest or heart attack will happen. These are the end stages. But see the slide now. These are the major factors because of which the heart attack or cardiac arrest happens. Whenever a person suffers a heart attack, all these are the reasons behind this. So what is the importance of iPulse so far as heart is concerned? iPulse, when you are consuming on a daily basis, iPulse will actually act on the root cause of these heart problems. iPulse will tackle these reasons for heart problems. Thereby, the person in the future will not have any kind of heart related issues. So it will act as a root cause. The root cause will be removed, because of which in the future, the person will not suffer from any kind of heart disease. I hope the point is clear. So far as the reasons are concerned, you can see the reasons here. Diabetes is the first and the foremost thing. Smoking or chewing tobacco, that is also one of the reasons, because of which there are a lot other problems which happen inside the body. Hypertension or blood pressure. Whenever you have increased blood pressure in the body, automatically it can lead to a lot of cardiac implications in the future. High cholesterol levels, especially the presence of bad cholesterol in the blood. This is also a very important factor, a risk factor as we call. Lack of exercise, unhealthy eating patterns, very, very important. I was trying to talk to you about the contaminants which are present in the food. That is also one of the major reasons for your heart disease. Stress and lack of sleep. When it happens on a regular basis, automatically one can have a heart disease. Breathlessness or exertion, which is most common these days. Breathlessness or cough on lying down position. This is also very important. Swelling in the legs, puffiness of the face, very, very important. Excessive fatigue or tiredness, bloating, weight gain. All these are the important factors so far as heart disease is concerned, my dear friends. Very, very important. So the most important point here, what I am trying to tell you here is these are the root causes of heart disease. So what iPulse is doing here, it is trying to cut the root cause of the disease itself so that a person in the future will not be suffering from any kind of heart disease. I hope the point is clear. So you can consider this as a preventive and a protective product so far as the heart is concerned. So going ahead, as I told you, antioxidants are very important for immune boosting. Antioxidants are also important for cardiac protection. Antioxidants are molecules capable of reducing the causes or effects of oxidative stress. Once the oxidative stress happens in one body, you will have the liberation of free radicals. So free radicals, when it is liberated, normally the human body contains a lot of natural antioxidants, but they are very less in numbers. So that is the reason why if there are 5 people in the house, 2 of them can have fever, but 3 of the people will not suffer from the fever. Because the 2 people, their antioxidant levels are less, remaining 3 people, their antioxidant levels are more. That is the reason why, in order to increase the antioxidant numbers inside the body, you have to consume the antioxidants from outside. These antioxidants are called as dietary antioxidants. Even iPulse is called by another name called as dietary antioxidants. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, so far as iPulse is concerned, the most important ingredient which is present in iPulse is called as acai berry, which is botanically identified as Euterpe oleracea. Acai berry is a super fruit which is found only in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is one of the best heart support ingredients. It is #1 antioxidant for anti-aging support. It has an ORAC score of more than 1 lakh, which is high as compared to other fruits and nuts till date. So not only this, my dear friends, acai berry has references of destroying the cancer cells. It is a very good immune system support. It is inspired by the space drink AS10 for preventing the radiation. It is used as a food for centuries, and more than 60 scientific publications are present on this wonderful ingredient called as acai berry, my dear friends. Acai berry itself is called as a super fruit. It is not a normal fruit. It is actually called as a super fruit, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, what is the quantity of acai berry which is present in our product iPulse? Acai berry is 14%, 1/4. If someone asks you what is the importance or what is the quantity of acai berry which is used in the product, the answer is 1/4, 14%. Normally, how do we use acai berry in our product? You are seeing a tree on the left side of your screen. There are fruits which are grown on the tree. What we do here is we try to remove these fruits. We try to put them in a freeze dryer. We freeze it to -80 degrees. At this point of time, we powder the fruits. Whenever we powder the fruits, the powder that we receive is called as a freeze-dried powder. So in iPulse, we have around 14% acai berry freeze-dried powder, which is used. Along with this, we also have the other 14 fruits, which I will be telling you. Apart from this, ORAC score is a very important thing so far as iPulse is concerned. So whenever a normal person requires 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, this is a total count which is given by the World Health Organization. But are we really getting 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis? Absolutely not. Why we are not getting? Because we have to consume 3.5 kgs of organically plucked fresh garden fruits if we have to get these 5,000 ORAC units of antioxidants. But is it possible for you and me to consume 3.5 kgs of organic fresh fruit on a daily basis? Absolutely not, because we are not getting such organic, fresh, garden plucked fruits. Absolutely not. So suppose if you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, there is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your breakfast and half an hour before your dinner, you are getting 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, my dear friends. It is not 5,000. We are giving you 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. See, here is where the relationship comes between the antioxidants and the immunity. So once you have this 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis, automatically your resistance, the immunity increases. So because of which the body also develops a lot of resistance, and because of which the the forthcoming diseases in the future can be protected as well. So going ahead, not only acai berry, my dear friends, the iPulse is also having the goodness of the remaining 14 fruits. See, as you can see the screen, acai berry is called as a super fruit, which is in the form of the freeze-dried powder. We also have the remaining 14 fruits, which you can see on the screen, which includes pineapple, pear, blackberry, blueberry, pomegranate, strawberry, apple, kiwi fruit, white grape, cherry, banana, concord grape, orange, and mulberry. So 14% is the acai berry concentrate, the powder percentage that we are using. The remaining 6% comes from the concentrates of all other 14 fruits. So totally the percentage of fruit which goes into this wonderful product iPulse is 20%. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, my dear friends, the next thing is free radicals. As I told you, whenever the body suffers with oxidative stress, free radicals are liberated inside the human body. So free radicals is one thing which is the root cause of all diseases. We call free radicals as the root cause of all diseases. So whenever the free radicals liberates in your brain, automatically you can have Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, such diseases. Whenever the free radicals are circulating in your heart, one can have heart attack and cardiac arrest. Suppose if the free radicals are liberated in the kidneys, you can have chronic kidney disease and renal nephritis. Suppose if the free radicals are liberated in the skin, you can have a lot of wrinkles, acne, eczema, etc. If the free radicals are liberated in various organs, you can have a lot of multi-organ diseases. When the free radicals are liberated in the joints, you can have osteoarthritis, you can have rheumatoid arthritis. Similarly, when the free radicals affect your immune system, you can have a lot of inflammatory lung diseases. You can have pulmonary tuberculosis. All such things can happen when the free radicals are affecting different parts of your body. So what is the role of iPulse? The role of iPulse here is to fight the free radicals. This is very important. The role of iPulse is always to fight the free radicals. So what will iPulse do? Suppose if you are consuming 60 ml of a daily basis, that is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before your breakfast and half an hour before your dinner, iPulse will neutralize the free radicals. Whenever the free radicals are neutralized, automatically the root cause of the disease is removed. When the root cause of the disease is removed, automatically the body can be protected and prevented against all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future. I hope the point is clear to everybody. iPulse is a product which will neutralize the free radicals. This is also one important mantra that everybody should always recite. Well, going ahead, what are the benefits of iPulse, my dear friends? The first and the foremost benefit is the cardiovascular benefit, as everyone knows. It strengthens your heart, it inhibits the platelet aggregation, it reduces the increased bad cholesterol levels. This is very important. Always the good cholesterol has to stay back in the body and the bad cholesterol has to be removed out of the body. This is what the science says. It also has a lot of antioxidant benefits. It protects the cells, it scavenges the free radicals, it strengthens the cell membrane, it restores your antioxidant numbers. This is very, very important. See, antioxidant numbers, as I told you, my dear friends, the levels of antioxidants are very less inside the human body. That is the reason why your immune system is always low. So whenever you have a lot of antioxidants inside the human body, the natural antioxidant numbers will increase inside the human body. This is very important. That is why once you consume iPulse, your natural antioxidants which are present inside the human body will improve a lot, along with the additional antioxidants as well. So this is how iPulse is actually helping you out. So not only this, the immunomodulator benefits also play a very important role. it builds the proteins, it strengthens your immune system, it enhances the cellular communication, which means each and every cell in your body will be benefited by the use of this iPulse, my dear friends. So it relieves the inflammation, it fights bacteria as well as virus as well. So not only this, it also has a lot of anti-cancer benefits where it reduces the risk of cancer. It supports healthy quality of life in patients. It has a lot of nervous system benefits as well. It strengthens the nervous system, strengthens memory, improves mental clarity. This is very important. And the last point is very, very important for everybody to know, anti-diabetic benefits. See, in the iCoffee, I will be telling you this again. Anti-diabetic benefits in the sense, diabetes has a lot of complications. Diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is called as a disorder, which means it is composed of a lot of other diseases. So, whenever the person is suffering from diabetes, there are three kinds of major complications which happen. The first thing is called as the retinopathy, where the eyes of the person, the retina of the person degrades. The second is called as diabetic nephropathy. The kidneys of the person will degrade. The third is called as diabetic neuropathy, where the nerves debilitate. So these are the complications of diabetes. So once a person is consuming iPulse along with iCoffee for diabetes, iCoffee will manage the sugar levels, whereas iPulse will manage the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, yes, for diabetes, definitely you can use iPulse. But for diabetic people, you should use 20 ml in the morning, half an hour before the breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before the dinner for beneficial results. It is good for blood pressure also, especially for low blood pressure. iPulse has to be consumed half an hour after the food. But for high blood pressure, iPulse has to be consumed half an hour before the food. This is very important. So far as the age limit is concerned, you can consider giving iPulse above 1 year of age. This is very important. Above 1 year of age, iPulse can be given. So duration of intake, as long as desired, one can consume this wonderful product iPulse. But as a general rule, I would like to tell you that as a part of wellness segment, it is always important for us to consume the wellness products at least for a period of 3 months minimum to have the beneficial results. Time of intake, as I told you, it is always preferably before food is very important. During pregnancy and lactation, it is a very, very important thing. People have to follow this. For the first 6 months of pregnancy, one can consume iPulse. After the 6 months, it should not be given. Similarly, after childbirth, the first month after childbirth, iPulse should not be given. From the second month onwards, iPulse can be given to the mother without any problems. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So directions of use, as everybody knows, 30 ml of iPulse should be given in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before the dinner is always a better time and a better way to give this wonderful product iPulse. I hope the points are clear. So let us go to the next product, my dear friends, iCoffee. Well, as you all know that you have been drinking coffee and tea for a long time now. Well, iCoffee is not a simple coffee. iCoffee is actually called as a functional health coffee. We call this as a functional health coffee because iCoffee has the taste, iCoffee has the color, iCoffee has the odor of coffee, but it also presents you the best of the best anti-diabetic health benefits also. That is the reason why it is called as a functional health coffee, and it is not a simple coffee, my dear friends. That is the reason why you can see the slide now. Controls diabetes without compromising the authentic taste of coffee. This is what is the tagline which is actually given to this wonderful product called as iCoffee, my dear friends. So going ahead. What is diabetes? This is a very important thing. Diabetes is not a disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder. We call this a disorder. So disorder is a group of diseases actually. So how does diabetes happen? There are three important reasons. One thing is when there is insulin deficiency, when there is insulin action deficiency, or sometimes it is combined with both. Whenever there is no production of insulin, sometimes the insulin produces, but not enough insulin is produced. This is also called as diabetes. So diabetes also happens because of disturbances in the carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. This is also very important. The effects of diabetes includes long-term damage and dysfunction to various organs. I hope the point is clear to everyone. So going ahead. Diabetes also has a variety of reasons and types. So the first and the foremost thing is insulin resistance. Second thing is abnormal glucose production by the liver. This is very important. Our liver is actually considered as a sugar factory. So whenever a lot of sugar is produced in the liver, this sugar enters into your blood. That is the reason why we call this as a blood sugar. That is how your blood sugar is measured. I hope everybody who has undergone this will have an experience. Whenever your liver health is not proper, automatically the diabetes increases. That is the reason why people with diabetes, their liver health is also impaired. That is the reason why you consider consuming iCoffee along with iPulse so that your sugar levels will manage, your liver health will also improve. I hope now you got the importance of the 4 definitions I told you beginning. That is, our product is also called as complementary product, which means it has a lot of additional benefits. I hope the point is clear. So genetic susceptibility also plays a very important role. Obesity. See, obesity and diabetes are 2 faces of a coin actually. It is like brothers. Suppose if someone has obesity, they will surely get diabetes. Or someone has diabetes, they will have the obesity symptoms. This is how both the diseases are actually, it is created. Not only that, increasing age is one thing. Bad diet also plays a very important role. Pre-diabetes, very, very important. As I told you, the precursory stage of the diabetes or the precondition of the diabetes also plays a very important role so far as the reasons of the diabetes are concerned, my dear friends. So going ahead, diabetes is actually considered as India's bitter truth. As we all know that India is considered as the diabetic capital of the world. We are actually rank 1 in diabetes. So today the coronavirus is there. Tomorrow the coronavirus will go away. But the diabetes will never go. Diabetes will always stay with us because of the fact that we are all sweet people. Our whole body is full of sweet. It is full of sugar actually. That is the reason why this particular pandemic of diabetes will haunt us even for future years, many, many generations to come, because we are transmitting this diabetes from generation to generation. It is not spreading, fortunately, but we are transferring it through generation to generation, through genetically, through genes we are doing it. Well, but don't worry about it. We have a very good advantage with us, wonderful functional health product with us called as iCoffee, which can limit this particular sugar levels so that we will definitely remove that particular tagline called as diabetic capital of the world. Definitely we will make India not the diabetic capital of the world. We'll all struggle towards that. We'll all strive towards getting that. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, as I told you, diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually a combination of various diseases. Tiredness, everybody feels tired, but whenever there is chronic tiredness, that is the first symptom of diabetes. Frequent urination, this is also very important. Whenever a person is passing more urine, around 15 times in a day, we call this as polyuria. This is also a cause of diabetes. The third thing is sudden weight loss. Weight gain and weight loss, both of them can happen in case of diabetes, my dear friends. Not only this, wounds that not heal. Normally everybody has a wound on their body, right? But whenever the wound is not healing for long periods of time, the wound can be converted into something called as gangrene. So whenever the gangrene is there, automatically the part has to be cut by the doctor. We call this process as amputation. That is how this particular diabetes happens. Not only this, always hungry. I hope you are all not hungry right now because you have had your breakfast. But still, once you have a very big meal, immediately after 10 minutes, if you are feeling a lot of hunger, we call this process as polyphagia. We call this as polyphagia, which means eating a lot. This is also a kind of diabetic symptom. Sexual problems can happen in males and females both in men and women. The sexual problems usually occur whenever there is sugar level increase and decrease. Not only this, blurry vision. So whenever there is visual disturbances, whenever you have eye-related problems, that is also because of diabetes. Whenever there is sugar impairment, eye-related problems also happen. Vaginal infections in case of women, especially we call this as polycystic ovarian disease, PCOD. People think that PCOD is a menstrual problem. Yes, it is a menstrual problem, but the root cause of PCOD is actually the sugar metabolism. It is because of diabetic impairment, this particular PCOD will happen. Not only this, my dear friends, even the white discharge which comes out of the females, it is also because of this particular sugar metabolism only. Not only this, the numbness and tingling. Whenever you have numbness and tingling in the legs, especially you have the feeling of pricks and needles, which happens in your leg and the feet. We call this as diabetic neuropathy. These are all the complications of diabetes. Finally, always thirsty. So we are also drinking a lot of water, but if a person is drinking about 15 liters of water in a day, it is not normal. Because why I'm telling you this point is, whenever a person is diagnosed with diabetes, his basal metabolic rate, we call it as BMR, the basal metabolic rate will increase. In other words, in simple words to tell, we call this as heat. The body heat has increased. Whenever the body heat increases, the body will ask for more water. That is the reason why people with diabetes drink a lot of water, 15 liters of water in a day to pacify that heat. This process is actually called as polydipsia. So these are some of the major disorders which are associated with diabetes, my dear friends. So the purpose of iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black is not only to cut down the sugar levels. The purpose of iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black is to pacify the root cause of diabetes. And the root cause of diabetes you are seeing on the screen already, from tiredness till the thirst. Whatever the root cause is there, whatever the complications are there, in order to manage the complications, iCoffee is the best. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, iCoffee contains one of the major ingredients called as Salacia reticulata. We call this as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga in Indian terminologies. So salcital is a patented extract which is made out of the Salacia reticulata, which is called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. So in fact, the Salacia reticulata or Ekanayakam is present in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 900 to 700 BC. So this is exactly called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga, which is a major ingredient in our product iCoffee, my dear friends, which is known for managing the sugar levels. So not only this, our product contains the coffee beans, which are sourced from the Coorg region of Karnataka state, which is considered to be the best quality coffee beans available in the whole world. The next thing is, we have this wonderful ingredient called as Mucuna pruriens. We call this as velvet bean in English. This is also known for healthy blood sugar support. So these are the three ingredients which are present in our product iCoffee. So going ahead, processing of coffee beans also play a very important role here. Processing in the sense, what we do is we pluck the coffee beans, we slowly roast it at 40 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 hours. When we do this slow roasting process, automatically the caffeine which is present in the coffee is totally destroyed. Once the caffeine is destroyed, automatically the polyphenols which are present in the coffee beans will be enhanced. So caffeine is totally not there in our coffee. You can easily, you can bravely tell outside that iCoffee is a functional health coffee which is caffeine free. This is a very important thing that I am trying to tell you. So not only this, as I told you, whenever the caffeine is not there, you have something called as polyphenols. Polyphenols are nothing but antioxidants which are present in the coffee beans. So once these antioxidants enter your body, automatically the body will get the resistance. The power of resistance will come inside the body so that in order to fight any diseases in the future. I hope the point is clear. So going ahead, iCoffee is suitable for all kinds of diabetes. Maybe it is type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, pregnancy related diabetes or pre-diabetes. And iCoffee does not contain any sugar in this. It can be consumed as long as desired, but as a part of wellness supplement, it is always important for you to consume this product at least for a minimum period of 3 months. It can be taken safely along with other medications also. It can be taken safely along with insulin also. It does not lower the sugar, immediately like other medicines. Whenever you take a sugar medicine, you automatically see a fall in the sugar immediately. We call this condition as hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is a very, very bad condition where the person can go into a phase of shock. That is the reason why this particular iCoffee will gradually reduce the sugar and it will not make the sugar to fall down immediately. And finally, can a normal person consume iCoffee? Absolutely yes. Whenever a normal person is consuming iCoffee, it is always important for you to know that 1 sachet per day is enough. Either it should be half in the morning and half in the night, or 1 sachet in a day is enough for a normal person. So far as the directions of use is concerned, it is very important. 1 sachet of iCoffee should be mixed with 80 to 100 ml of hot water or warm water. Never use cold water for making iCoffee. I hope the point is clear to everybody. Suppose if someone is using half sachet of iCoffee, it is always better for you to mix 40 to 80 ml of hot water. 40 ml of hot water is better. 40 to 50 ml rather. That is for half sachet. I hope the point is clear. So let us go to the next product, my dear friends. The next product is iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, our third and the most important product for comprehensive weight management support. iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, as you can see here, the packaging is actually called as an assorted packaging. We have 4 important flavors in this. The first is a chocolate, second is mango, third is vanilla, fourth is orange. We call this packaging as assorted packaging, where we have 4 flavors, 7 in numbers, totally it is 28 bars. Well, people do ask us a lot of questions on, can we consume orange in the morning and chocolate in the night? As you desire, whatever flavor do you want, you can consume as an, when you want the timing. I'll let you know the timings in the future slides, but you can use any flavor of your desire on a particular day, actually, on a given day. So you don't have to struggle about using only one flavor in a day or something like that. No. So going ahead, there are 5 important points that you have to consider. You have to know about iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. The first thing is the low calorie. We call this iSlim Flat Tummies Bar as a partial meal replacement bar. Again, I'm trying to repeat this term for you. We call this as a partial meal replacement bar, which means that you skip one meal in a day and then you have to consume this bar. Why I am telling you this point is, normally the Indian diet has a lot of calories. Whenever you are skipping one meal, you are actually skipping most of the calories, and our product will have very less calories. So it will not have more calories, my dear friends. It contains synergistic actives, which are nothing but the botanical ingredients. It is a very good weight management support. It is rich with fibers. This is very, very important. Normally, we don't consume fibers on a daily basis because the fibers has a very bad taste. We are not able to swallow the fibers. That is the reason why our product has a lot of fibers in it, and it is 100% natural based. It does not have synthetic preservatives. It does not have pesticides. It does not have chemicals. It is 100% natural. So, as I told you, overweight and obesity, this is also not a single disease. This is also called as a disorder. This is a very, very important thing, my dear friends, because people think that people who look fat, they are considered to be overweight. No. People are thin also. People who are lean, they can also have the obesity symptoms. This is very, very important. Not looking fat is called as obesity. People can be lean, but they can also have obesity symptoms. That is why it is called as a disorder. We call obesity as a metabolic disorder. That is why it is not a disease. Start with diabetes. People with diabetes, as I told you, they can gain weight or they can lose weight also. Anything can happen. That is the reason why people with diabetes can also have obesity symptoms, even though they are lean. Cardiovascular disease. People with heart problems. Somebody would have died of a heart attack. He must be very lean, but still obesity symptom. Cardiovascular disease is an obesity symptom. This is very important. Decrease in immunity, increased risk of cancer. Osteoarthritis is also an obesity symptom. Why people suffer from joint pains actually? People say that, okay, my weight is more, my fat is more, my pain is more. Doctor will tell, you reduce your weight, your pain will become less. That is the reason why these are all the obesity symptoms. Asthma, again, is one of the symptoms. High blood cholesterol, renal failure, kidney failure, sleep apnea, which is nothing but your snoring, is also an obesity symptom. Everybody snores. But when the snore happens in the form of an apnea, when there is a pause in the snoring, this is called a sleep apnea, and that is also a major obesity symptom. Psychological and emotional effects also play a very important role here. Gouty arthritis, very, very important. Whenever the uric acid levels increase in the blood, it can result in something called as gouty arthritis. That is also a major obesity symptom. Back pain, very important. Whenever the person is suffering from a severe low back pain, automatically the obesity symptom is seen there. Pregnancy related defects. When a pregnant woman is obese, the pregnancy related defects can be seen. Liver disease, very important. Whenever there is a lot of fat inside your liver, we call this condition as a fatty liver disease, which is very much seen in a country like India today, is also because of overweight and obesity. Finally, the paralysis stroke. Whenever a person is having a lot of obesity symptoms, people are suffering from stroke these days, even younger people. That is the reason why in the beginning slides I told the scope of wellness. Where can we use these wellness products? Paralysis stroke is one major area that you people have to concentrate on, because it is also a kind of bad fat situation, and the list continues, my dear friends. So our product iSlim Flat Tummies contains three important ingredients which are called as synergistic actives. The first ingredient is called as Salacia reticulata. We call this as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. It's a very good anti-diabetic ingredient. The second is called as Coleus forstoli, which is a weight reduction ingredient. The third is called as Sesamum indicum, which is a cholesterol reducing ingredient. When you see this combination, there are three important things. First is anti-diabetic, second is weight reduction, the third is cholesterol reduction. All these three put together, we have formulated a product which is very, very important. The next thing is, it contains a lot of natural fibers, which mainly has oats fibers and ragi fibers in this. Because as I told you, this is mainly made up of the fibers. Oats, everybody knows. Ragi fibers, as you see, ragi fibers are inevitably, they are used in southern parts of India, especially in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, where this ragi is actually used, which is a very good source of fiber and protein as well. So not only this, it also has a lot of protein concentrates as well. But the protein content is very low in Ice Slim bar as compared to other bars which are actually present in the market. We have two types of protein concentrates here. We have the soy protein concentrates and the whey protein concentrates. Soy, as everybody knows, comes from the soya bean. Whey protein comes from the milk. It's called as a milk protein. So that is what is actually used in Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. Not only this, we also have the herbal extracts which are present in Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. The first is called as ashwagandha. We call this as Indian ginseng or Withania somnifera. We also have this kapikachu, which is called as velvet bean, which reduces the stress during the weight management process. I hope you got to know the number of ingredients which are actually used in this wonderful product Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar, my dear friends. So, well, suppose if a person is diabetic by nature and he has obesity, you can definitely use Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar without any problems. In case of blood pressure, suppose if a person is having high blood pressure or low blood pressure for that matter, you can definitely use Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. In case of pregnancy related issues, suppose if a pregnant lady is obese, for the first 6 months, you can definitely use Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar without any problems. Even after delivery, the first month it should not be used. From second month onwards, you can definitely use the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. Thyroid problems, when a person is suffering from severe thyroid issues, automatically the weight gain will happen, especially in women. Even in such conditions, you can use Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar. Heart related issues. Whenever heart, normally it happens because of cholesterol increase, the increase in triglyceride levels. Even in such conditions, Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used. Finally, the skin problems, especially the stretch marks or the loose skin. Even in such people, Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar can be used safely. Not only this, my dear friends, for best results, it is always important for you to consume one Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar in the night between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. after an optional light dinner at 6 p.m. my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. This is how the Ice Slim Flat Tummy's bar has to be used. I hope the point is clear. So now going ahead, so let us start with the last product of the day now, which is iGlow. Well, as you all know that iGlow is one of the first of its kind product in India. We call it as first of its kind product in India. It is not second of its kind, it is first of its kind product in India, which is called as an internal cosmetic product. It is first of its kind consumable product in India, which is specifically designed to condition your beauty from inside and make your skin glow outside. This is what is exactly called as iGlow, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. It is first of its kind product in India. I hope the point is clear. So, who doesn't want a brighter, younger looking and healthy skin? Everybody wants a brighter looking skin. Everybody wants a younger looking skin. And everybody wants a healthy skin. But what is beauty exactly? Is beauty something that is seen on the face? No. What we require here is, we require something which will enhance your beauty from inside. That is what is exactly called as iGlow, my dear friends. This enhances your beauty from inside and makes your skin condition outside. That is what is exactly called as iGlow. So beauty should always be beneath your skin. It should be beyond your skin, into your blood, into your tissues, into your organs. That is what is exactly called as your beauty. Suppose someone looks very beautiful from outside, but we don't know what is there inside their, the lungs. We don't know what is there inside their heart. If all the poisons are there inside their lungs and heart, what is the use of beauty outside? So, iGlow is a product which will detoxify your system. This is very important. It detoxifies your whole body so that the skin beauty can be conditioned from outside. This is what is exactly called as eye glow, my dear friends. So going ahead, there is something called as the beauty wellness market in India. So far as the Indian beauty wellness market is concerned, nowadays, because of the COVID-19 situations also, because of the strict government guidelines, we are all using the masks, we are using the gloves, we are using the sanitizers. Sorry for that. We are using the sanitizers also. So because of using all these things, what will happen to the skin? That we are not considering. Our skin is becoming dry day by day. Please observe your skin after you apply these sanitizers. Automatically your skin is becoming dry. I'll tell you, my dear friends, now we are not understanding the point, but dry skin is one of the major issues, which is the root cause for all kinds of skin problems in the future. I hope the point is clear. Dry skin causes a lot of problems. I hope you have understood the problems. So, well, the government has given the guidelines. Please follow the guidelines right now until the coronavirus disappears. But later on or right now, take care of your skin by the regular consumption of eye glow. Once you are regularly consuming eye glow, automatically your skin health will be maintained. So my dear friends, skin is actually considered as the largest organ of the human body. Okay, it is more larger, larger in the size as well. So that is the reason why you have to take care of the largest organ of the human body first. So that is the reason why please consume eye glow on a regular basis. So automatically the largest organ of the body will be happy. So going ahead, this particular eye glow is called as a nutri-cosmetic product. We call this as an internal cosmetic product, or in other words, we call this as a nutri-cosmetic product as well. So nutri-cosmetics are nothing but products and ingredients which are nutritional supplements, especially for the skin care, nail care, and hair care also. But in our context, we are only concentrating on the skin care, my dear friends. So addition of nutrients plus herbal extracts is equal to nutri-cosmetics. So whenever you add nutrients along with herbal extracts, we bring a concept called as nutri-cosmetics to you. This is what is exactly called as eye glow. I hope the point is clear. So the major ingredient which is present in eye glow is called as saffron. Saffron is the most important ingredient which is present in eye glow. We call this as kesar or Crocus sativus in botanical terminologies. Scientific name is called as Crocus sativus. This particular saffron, what we are using in eye glow, is brought from the world's best known source of saffron, that is Kashmir Valley. From the Kashmir Valley, we have brought this wonderful saffron to you in the form of eye glow. This is called as a fragrant saffron, which is the most expensive spice in the world. Not only this, my dear friends, saffron is a wonderful ingredient for nurturing the skin, moisturizing the skin, and making it blemish free. In fact, saffron has been referenced in the textbooks of Ayurveda dating back to 5,000 years. Not right now, dating back to 5,000 years, my friends. Not only this, saffron is a wonderful antibacterial ingredient. It is having anti-inflammatory qualities, and it is an ideal ingredient for managing acne and skin breakouts. It has healing properties which can hasten the process of skin recovery. This is very important. It can recover the skin process. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So saffron is the major ingredient which we are using in our wonderful product eye glow. Not only saffron, my dear friends, we are also using the natural plant collagen. See, normally the collagen, when it is concerned across the world, if you see, collagen is normally derived from the non-vegetarian sources or from the animal sources. One thing I want to tell you through this program for everyone who is watching this, all the Indus Viva products have the herbal sources or the vegetarian sources or 100% natural sources, and no animal products have been used in our products. No animal ingredients have been used in our products. So we are using natural plant collagen, which is derived from the vegetables, from the fruits and the superfruits, especially the berries. Natural plant collagen will always diminish the appearance of skin dullness and dark spots on your face, as in the body as well. It has the grapeseed extract. Everybody knows what grapes is. The grapeseed extract contains a wonderful antioxidant called as resveratrol. Resveratrol, everybody knows, it's a wonderful antioxidant which will hydrate your skin, which will moisturize your skin, making it healthier and radiant. So not only this, my dear friends, the next slide, if you see, it contains a wonderful ingredient called as kojic acid. Kojic acid is not any kind of other acid. It is not hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, which will burn your skin. No. Kojic acid is a natural acid which is derived from the seaweeds. I hope you know about seaweeds, the weeds which are present in the sea. From them, we release this kojic acid naturally. We get this kojic acid naturally, which is a very important ingredient for reducing the dark spots and maintains the skin health. And it also protects you against the skin damage, sun damage, sorry. So it also contains this licorice extract. Licorice, as you are seeing on the screen, this is actually called as licorice in English. This is a root. We call this as a sweet root. So in Hindi, we call this as muleti. So muleti in Hindi, we call this as Jeshta Madhu in Kannada. We call this as Ati Maduram in Tamil and Malayalam. So, and this is what is exactly called as licorice extract. So licorice is a wonderful ingredient which will effectively control excess oil in the skin. This is very important. See, normally the skin will have oil skin. Some people's skin is dry skin also, but too much oil will also cause a lot of problems. So you need to maintain the oiliness of the skin. That is the reason why licorice extract, when it is used on a regular basis, will maintain the optimum levels of oil on the skin, my dear friends. That is how licorice extract is useful. So next slide, if you see lutein extract. Lutein is derived from the natural flowers of marigold. Everybody knows what marigold flowers are. Lutein is actually called as a carotenoid, which is a coloring pigment. This particular lutein will maintain the skin hydration and elasticity of the skin. This is very important. The hydration, in the sense, it will maintain the water balance of the skin and the oil balance of the skin, and elasticity of the skin will be maintained. Finally, the product contains a wonderful ingredient called as natural CoQ10, which is nothing but the coenzyme Q10, which is also derived from the seaweeds. It produces the skin energy. As I told you, my dear friends, skin is the largest organ of the human body, which also requires energy. So not only your body requires energy, your skin requires energy. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming iGlow, your skin will also have a lot of energy. That is what is exactly called as CoQ10. So coming to the benefits of iGlow, my dear friends, the major benefit is skin lightening. Lightening in the sense, there are two types of skin tones. One is a dark tone, the other is a light tone. There is nothing like color of the skin, it is a tone of the skin, what we tell. So in order to make the dark tone, light tone, iGlow is a wonderful product. It is also a very good anti-aging product. It reduces the wrinkles. It is a very good skin moisturizing product. Moisturizing in the sense, it maintains the water balance in your skin and the oil balance in your skin. It reduces the dark spots. It reduces the blemishes. It gives you radiant complexion. Its skin damage control will be reduced. Skin rejuvenation, in the sense, the skin is there from head till the toe. Everybody knows this. Whenever I am showing my face, it does not mean that it is only acting on the face. It is acting on wherever you have the skin from head till the toe. That is where iGlow is showing its benefits. I hope the point is clear. The most important thing here is iGlow is a very good liver detox and a blood purifier. It detoxifies your liver. That's a very, very important thing. Whenever the liver is detoxified, your blood is purified. Whenever your purified blood is circulating all across your body, your skin health will be maintained. This is what is exactly called as liver detoxification and blood purification. That is the reason why iGlow is considered as a wonderful skin wellness product. We call this as a skin wellness product because of this internal cosmetic abilities. So iGlow is excellent for all the skin types. As I told you, you have a dark tone and a light tone. You have oily skin, you have a dry skin, you have a combination skin tone also. It is suitable for all kinds of skin tone and skin types. It is suitable for men, women, as well as kids. For best results, it is always important to consume one iGlow sachet in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and one iGlow sachet in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. It is always important for you to consume iGlow 15 minutes after the food. It should not be consumed before the food. If it is consumed before the food, your absorption abilities will reduce. When it is consumed after the food, automatically the absorption of the product will be enhanced, will be increased, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So it can be safely consumed for a longer duration without worrying much about the side effects. It can be used as an adjuvant along with the other medications and cosmetics also, which means that people are already using cosmetics. You don't have to tell them to stop the cosmetics. Let them use their cosmetics. Along with that, you have to give this product to consume, because we are not asking people to apply this anywhere. We are asking people to consume this. That is a major reason why we call this as an internal cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So with this, I am ending this KYP, the Know Your Product session in English today morning on the Wednesday. I hope people who are watching this are benefited. I hope you can also get this recording later on. So please watch this again and again so that you will be benefited by understanding the knowledge of our wonderful and awesome wellness products. So thank you very much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot. Over to Mr. Noel.
Thank you, Dr. Balu sir. Thank you for such a wonderful and enlightening session. It has been an absolute pleasure listening to you, and I'm pretty sure our distributors share the same opinion. I'm sure I'm speaking for all of us gathered here when I tell you that we wish to be a part of more of your classes and hope that will be possible in the future. Thank you, Doctor.